Hey, Mark Meekins here with HomeSmart, coming to you from the award-winning community of Anthem, Arizona. Welcome to my newest listing, 4609 West Challenger Trail. This house has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3-car garage, bonus room, tons of upgrades, and brand new exterior paint. I bet you want to go see the inside, right? Come on, let's go check it out. Hey, thanks for watching. To see this house or any other house, feel free to reach out and contact me. And please be safe. Thank you.